So in this video, I will show you that how you can receive crypto coin to Kraken crypto exchange in very simple steps. I will also show you that which network you have to select for the smaller pieces. So if you are a beginner in the crypto, so no worries. I will show you all these steps that how you can transfer your crypto from Binance application to Kraken platform in very simple steps. Watch this video till the end so you cannot miss any part of this video. Otherwise, you may lose your fund if you select the different network on a single site. So let's come on the mobile application of the Kraken platform. So here you can see I have already opened Kraken platform application on my cell phone and I have already logged my account. So I want to receive USDT on my account. So first you have to click on the explore and select the coin whatever you want to receive on your Kraken platform. So just like I want to receive USDT, it means Tether, which is already available on the top, or you can search from here. Click on this. So here you have to click on the Tether USDT because I want to deposit this coin. You can select whatever coin you want to deposit on your Kraken account. After that, you have to click on the three dots, which you can find on top of the right side. Click on this. So here you can see convert, deposit, withdraw, and transaction history. Now I want to deposit USDT. So you have to click on the deposit. So it says only deposit USDT using one of the supported network. So all these networks are available on the Kraken platform, just like Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, Solana, and Tron network are available. So you have to select the network in which network you want to deposit. I will recommend you to use Tron network because it is available on almost all the exchanges. So here I will select Tron, and for the Tron it says the minimum time to deposit is 1 minute and you have to deposit minimum 5 USDT. And for the other network like Solana, it says that it will be deposited in less than 1 minute and minimum deposit is 0.40 USDT. Solana network is also good. So choice is here that which network you want to select. I will select Tron network because personally I like the Tron network. Click on Tron. So here you can see the further information, only deposit USDT from the Tron network. Deposit from other network will be lost. As I have already told you, don't skip any part of this video. Otherwise, you may lose your fund if you select the different networks. Also, I will show you that how you can select the same network on the Binance application. So wait and watch. And the minimum deposit is USDT is 5. Deposit below minimum will be lost. So for example, if you deposit 4 USDT, 3 USDT, you will never get your funds on the Kraken platform and it will be lost. You cannot recover these funds. So you have to deposit minimum 5 USDT, including the fees. Alright. And the process time is 1 minute. So if everything is okay, click on I understand. Here we got the USDT address. Copy this address. Again, you can see the network is Tron and minimum deposit is 5 USDT. So we got the USDT address of the Tron network. Now let's come on the Binance application and withdraw from the Binance application to Kraken platform. Come on the Binance application. So here you can see I have opened Binance application on my cell phone. You will find all my videos that how you can withdraw, deposit, and other tutorials. Everything will be on the cell phone. So you can easily trade using the cell phone and watch my all tutorials. Come on the wallets, and here you have to click on this spot, and after that you have to click on the withdraw. Here you can search USDT or the coin which you want to withdraw from here. Now I want to withdraw USDT, so select USDT. After that you will see two options here: send via crypto network, send via email, phone, and ID. Send via email, phone, ID basically used to transfer funds from Binance to another Binance account. So currently we are withdrawing from one exchange to wallet. So we will select send via crypto network. After that, here you have to paste the address which we have copied from the Kraken platform. Paste here. After that, this is the main part that to select the network. So here you have to select the correct network. Otherwise, you may lose your funds. So now it says the fee is 1 USDT and the minimum withdrawal from the Binance is 10 USDT. The arrival time will be 2 minutes. So click on the Tron because we have already selected Tron network on the Kraken platform. So here you can see we have total 9 USDT. So let me deposit some USDT first here. Alright, so now we have 19 USDT. Let's add 10 USDT for the withdraw. Alright, so here you can see on the available, you can see we have 19 USDT available. On the spot wallet, we have 15 USDT, and on the funding, we have 4.14 USDT. So you can select any wallet, whatever you want, or you can select the both. and the amount will be deducted from the both accounts. Alright, one more thing is that the network fee is 1 USDT and you will receive 9 USDT. So here if you select 5 USDT here, you will get 4 USDT. And the Kraken platform policy is that the minimum deposit 5 USDT. So keep in mind that you should select 6 USDT including the fees. But whatever, I want to deposit 10 USDT on my Kraken account. Select the withdraw. Alright, the amount will be received is 9 USDT. The network is Tron TRC20. The address is this. Withdrawal amount is 10 USDT. Network fee is $1. And my Binance wallet is Sport wallet, from which USDT will be minus. If everything is okay on your side, click on the confirm. Now we have to complete the security verification. Maybe you will get some codes on your mobile number and email. After that, you can see that withdrawal is processing. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel, give me thumbs up. Now if you click on the view history, so here you can see it says processing. Click on it. Now it will take couple of minutes to transfer your USDT from Binance application to Kraken account. So let's refresh this. It will not take much time. So here you can see after a couple of minutes, the transaction has been completed. I have got the email also. Now let's come on the Kraken account and see this transaction. Come on the Kraken platform, come on the portfolio, view transactions. And here you can see it says that deposited Ether on this time and it is confirming. Click on it. Currently it is depositing. It will take further some time to deposit on our Kraken platform. So you have to wait a few minutes more to see this transaction. So here you can see our deposit has been successfully done. Click on it. And here you can see 9 USDT has been deposited on our Kraken account. Now back this transaction and we have now 8.99 USDT on our portfolio. So I hope you understand that how you can simply transfer your USDT or any crypto coin from Binance account to Kraken platform. If you face any problem, please comment down below, so I will try to solve your all problems. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.